Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Radmin VPN and granting administrative rights so tunneling works. This is why you must run the installer as admin. Once installed, create or sign into your Radmin account and choose a clear network name and strong password so other devices can join securely. Make sure to note the virtual IPs assigned to each machine because you'll use them to connect. Now open the app and create the network. Once created, invite peers using the exact network name and password you set. Once members join, verify their virtual IPs and check Windows firewall or third-party firewalls to allow Radmin traffic. If blocked, add explicit rules for the Radmin executable. If devices sit behind NAT or strict routers, forward or allow the necessary TCP/UDP ranges. This prevents intermittent disconnects. Use the Radmin friend list or enter the virtual IP to start a session. If you need stable addressing, map host names to those IPs in the hosts file so you don't rely solely on changing numbers. To finish, perform a test remote control and file transfer between two nodes to confirm latency and permissions. This validates both connectivity and access rights. If something fails, run ping and traceroute to the virtual IP to see where packets stop, and restart the Radmin VPN service or the client as a simple but effective fix. If problems persist, double-check NAT, router rules, and local firewall rules. Resolving those usually cures most connection problems and restores stable access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.